Okay, this is how you get fresh drinking water out in the wilderness in England. I mentioned before about these cattle troughs. This is a sheep trough, same difference. That's your bore cock in there. So what you do is you put your bottle inside the hole, push down on that, and that gives you fresh spring water. This is a modern one, easier access. See, there's your pipe going into it. This one, see the pipe going in there. All you'd have to do is lift off that top. I'm not doing it because it means leaning over barbed wire, and I just had a big roast dinner. Lift the top off, same thing, there'll be a bore cock inside, and that's where you get your fresh drinking water. No need for filters because it's coming out the ground. So yeah, if you've got a field and there's cattle in it, or have been in it, like the sheep sheds, then they will have a fresh water supply. You can guarantee it'll be better than you get in the house.